Hello, I'm Bo from Sweden. Welcome to my series about the WICS project. This is the first video, V1, in this series. We won't waste any time, so let's start. In spring 2025, I was overwhelmed with the number of wire that was needed on my relative small layout. And this was only wires for the track, turnouts, signals on the first layer. All lighting for house, street light is not there, and there is not any wires for railroad crossing, doors or other animation, plus all the wires for the second level. Gosh! The number of wires will easily double or triple. There must be an option. Wireless, hopefully. Went through my alternatives to get a solution that would minimize the number of wires needed going forward. Buying a commercial system is of course the easiest solutions. But they are not cheap and almost likely only cover some of my needs. Could it be possible for me to construct something based on the ESP32 microprocessor? They have both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. There's only one way to find out. Try it. So I made a prototype PCB that could attach several types of accessories to its I2C and SPE bus or other connections on the PCB. My forum friend, Jared, from USA, that was an experienced electronic technician, helped me with the quality control of the PCBs. Oh, I'm very grateful for that. The initial test with the prototype went very well, so I wanted to start a new initiative or project. I gave it the name WICS, Wireless Control System, a non-profit open source project that could be shared with others that was interested to participate. While browsing around on YouTube, I found another open source project named nowRail, made by the guy Simon Cowell in the UK. Very interesting. I was watching a lot of Simon's videos and I was impressed what he had made so far. nowRail is based on the ESP32 microprocessor using ESP Now communication protocol, and all the function is coded in C++ by Simon. Maybe it's time to terminate the WICS project, even before it got started. Well, maybe WICS could have a role and add functionality to nowRail. nowRail is great, but if you are not interested in microcontrollers, C, C++, or in electronics, then it's not that easy to use. Most hardware on the layout you need to design and make solutions for yourself. nowRail had the functions, but you need to do all the implementation. All configuration in nowRail is made inside Sketch, where the code resides. It's a separate tab, but every change needs to be recompiled and uploaded to the microcontroller. It's a well-working solution, but it could be easier. Which could add simplicity to nowRail, making it available for many users that doesn't like Arduino IDE or C, C++. Special designed PCBs, boards, that is easy to mount on the layout using nowRail functions. One-click installation, no need for Arduino IDE and compiling. All settings in readable text files uploaded over Wi-Fi to the microcontroller. Wi-Fi, telnet, menu-based control over the boards on the layout. Add-on functions to nowRail that is not included today. There is no disturbance between nowRail and WICS. WICS won't interfere with the nowRail code.
Time to summarize. What is WICS? It's a non-profit open source add-on to nowRail system, adding simplicity, making the system available for most users, even if you're not into electronics. Consists of both hardware, PCBs, we call them boards, and software. What kind of boards is WICS going to produce? The gateway and controller that connects to the command station. Only one is needed per layout. The multi-board has many connectors, for example, LEDs, servos, sound and relay function. This board can bear a controller in a small installation without sensors. Then we have several tiny one-function boards that is easy to spread out over the layout. You could also buy ESP32 commercial boards like a relay or soundboard and then add the WICS software to the board. All the boards only need a 5-volt power wire. Wireless is nice. Since it is a non-profit project, it is very affordable. You only pay the real cost for components and board. And of course, all connections to the boards is solder-free, making it easy as 1, 2, 3 to install the boards on your layout. The first boards will be available during spring 2026. In the upcoming videos, we will present the boards, their functionality, and how to mount the boards. We will also publish information about the boards as it successfully will be published on WICS GitHub.
That's all for this short introduction to WICS. If you're interested, there are and there will be more videos divided in 3 series. This video is the first in the WICS area. There is 2 videos in the Newbies Journey area and more to follow. There is 2 videos in the electronics series and also here there will be more to follow. If you subscribe, you will have a notification when the videos are released. Also, you will support the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We are looking forward to share our next video with you. Until next time, bye.